Okay, good morning everybody. It is Monday the 13th, full moon trading. The board is risk off. We've been looking at for this for the last few weeks and we've been trading it as such. What we're looking at this morning is that SPU bonds coming down in unchanged on the year in the balance line. You can see NASDAQ bonds is below it. So all this is telling me is that we do not want to sell weakness down here, and it's a buy before you sell area. You're at averages here on the point and figure, and the NASDAQ as well down here. So there isn't a hell of a lot of downside without some sort of a bounce. So this is, what I would call a buy before you sell zone. And the key charts you want to look at right now, the 5822 is the area we've been looking at, the bounce area in the US session only S&P. And this line also happens to be the election day high. So this has wiped out all of the election gains, all of it. And if you look at the 150 by 3-point and figure, it can definitely bounce out of here, but I'm looking for another 100 points initially. So it's about where the rally stops today. The gold's corrected, and I don't mind buying it, but I don't want to buy it here. I'd like to buy it another $20 lower. Bitcoin, let's put it there. Bitcoin this is a negative pattern in Bitcoin. I think it's going to find some support here on the cloud, and but I don't really want to have a longer term buy until the low 82,000s. This is not a good pattern. This is a big head and shoulders pattern in Bitcoin. And when the markets go risk off, everything gets sold. The gold gets sold, Bitcoin gets sold, everything gets sold. The only thing that's up this morning are the grains, and I wouldn't chase those. Oil's up, that's negative for risk, on the Russian sanctions. So this is going to be a price action trade today. And, if you want to get a trial, come into the room, see what it's all about. Just go to my website.